Hi, I'm 20 minutes late. It is what it is. Alright, let's get started. I literally pulled an all-nighter yesterday. Fuck me, man. The sun was up when I went to sleep. Fuck. Oh god. Anyway, I'm not even, like, I fucking did a thing with just water, no food, no energy drinks, no coffee. I don't get why people need coffee to function, you know? Anyway, deep breath. I made some progress on, like, the animation cancel and all that shit. So, okay. Deep breath. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Ice breathe. Yeah. Hold on. Alright. Let's do it. Hmm. The problem with this type of code is that the animation doesn't cancel properly. Like that. Maybe I give it a little time before flipping, so in the player body. Where's the player body? There it is. Flip. Away gets. Let's try that. Whoa there. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. What about greater than, I don't fucking know. So less than negative 0.1 or freeze rate greater than 0.1. Okay, hold on. The same thing but for this one, there we go. That. Okay. Let's think about this. What if it clearly works, it's just under the wrong condition. I think it's because the velocity just goes up really fast. I don't know if I should decrease the X velocity. That would be a bad game design, honestly. What if instead go back to Sada? No, it's not Sada, it's weapon. Eat my brownie. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, if emitting signal from there it gets a little delayed. I don't want that. Why? Hmm. Why? Why doesn't it work? Okay, hold on. I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. Oh, I thought that didn't work, but I guess it works. Oh, I guess. Oh, that's crazy. That works, I guess. I don't know if I don't know why. I thought it didn't work. I literally tried that and it didn't work. What the fuck? Alright. I solved the animation cancel. That's cool. Now, what do I do? Sana. I need to do this. Sana thingy. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Attack A, attack down, attack up. Sorry. It's close enough. Now I'm just learning how to do this. Let's see. Can I do a hit FX or something? I don't fucking know anymore. Hit FX here. Okay. What's the melee attack script again? Where's the melee attack script? Emit this. Here, moving animation. Hit FX, okay, hit FX I can do. Alright, detect ground type, fuck me. Oh god, I forgot the whole oh shit, okay. Big ass block of code. Should I just do extend melee attack? I don't fucking know anymore. What happened if I do extend? No, it's already extend can only be used on. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, the tech ground type. The tech ground type. Oh boy. Okay, that's fine. Find custom data. Oh god, the find custom data, which is this block of code. Oh my god. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. And then particle effects, and then oh my god. Okay, particle effects. Create audio, create effects. Here. Okay, no errors. Great. Oh my god. Okay. Fuck man. Long ass block of code. What about the collision? That should work. Probably not. Let's see. Okay, so it's just eternally turn on. What the fuck? Why? 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 That shouldn't happen. Why does that happen? Oh, by default it's... Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, try that again. Maybe... Perfect! Okay. What's next? Ice cream. You know what I can do? I'll do that later, actually. The B-hop stuff, I'll do that later. Actually, it's in the script. I can do it right now. Oh, God. Actually, Actually, yeah. Let me try again. I think I can dash, right? No, I can't. Why can I not? Dash. It's because I haven't had the dashing stuff yet. Okay. Okay. Or can I just paste it in? I think I'm just gonna paste it in. That should work. I think. It's not working. Oh no, it's working. Okay. Okay, good. I also fixed the B-hop too. Nice. Great. Okay, good. Good. Now, everything is in order, kind of. Change collision? No. I need the... what's it called? I need the emit FX. B-hop done, dash done, body flip done, all that done. Where's the emit FX? Oh, it's actually in the attack area, right? Or something? It's not that, it's in a melee attack. Did I have melee? Hold on. Emit FX. Okay. Emit FX. Emit hit FX. Target red cast set. Okay, that's cool. Let's see. Node path A. That should be it. It should be working. Why is it not working? Hold on. We know this works. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. It's emitting, but it's not. Maybe it's because I haven't. Okay, that's probably why, right? Hit FX. Alright, hit FX. No, hit FX is right there. What? Huh. Maybe like this. Please. Please. Please, please, please. Okay, so it's not no. What the fuck does this mean then? Okay, raycast, target ray, get children. Oh no. Print raycast. There's gonna be a lot of printing. No. Wait, what? Why? For raycast to the That should be work. Why is there no? Oh, what? No way. No way. Oh my god. I just want to curl up and just go to sleep, man. Fuck. Okay. Okay, so this works. It's just that if it's colliding, but it's not colliding. Okay, so why is it not colliding then? Why? Why? If I do this, it should collide. Oh, fuck me. Oh, what's going on now? Oh, what's going on? Why is Mume not working? What about Crony? Crony should work, right? Okay, Crony's not working. Oh, okay, fuck me. Great. Great, just great. If Raycast is colliding, but... Is Raycast colliding? Collision mask. Collide with... Hello, Fauna. Why isn't it working? Why is this not working? What the fuck? Why is it not working? Why isn't it working? What's going on here? It's literally working like up until this point. Yeah, this totally works. This totally works. Like, it clearly works. Up until this point where Raycast is colliding, but it's not. Why not though? Why not? Oh, what the fuck? Why is Raycast right there? What? Why is it not sticking to the player? That's not possible. If I set this Fauna's Raycast should be visible. What the hell? I think I know why. I might have an idea why. But like, this thing should be moving with the player, not sticking to this. What? Why? Why not? Alright, then I guess I would just move this out somewhere. I hope that works. There we go. Okay, so this doesn't work for some reason. No instance. Okay, I have to fucking rework this shit. Oh god. That should work. I hope. I fucking hope. It doesn't fucking work. Actually, no, it does. It's just global position. Vector 2. Recast is colliding, but this music is driving me insane. Can't think straight. Let me think about this. Invalid assignment of property or key global position with value of type vector 2 on a base object of type no instance. Raycast is no. Why? Why is it no? Why is it no? Get collision point. Let's see the outputs. Okay, so raycast get yeah. Okay, so the collision point is right there. It's available, so it's not that. So I'm guessing hit F print hit FX. This is what I'm thinking. So basically this is what is going on, right? Okay, so it's object no. Okay, so hit FX is no. Why? Why the fuck not? Why is it no? That shouldn't be possible. I literally did this. God, I really don't like to do the on ready or the export thing. It's very tedious. I mean, it's better, but it's very tedious. Alright then. Hit effects. Hit effects. There we go. There we go, it's working. Okay, one by one, it's working. Step by step, my fucking short circuit brain is making me like get on Twitter and see some anime titties. Oh, Alright, break's over. Now, any bugs that I can fix before I get started on the animation? I think for now I'm good, right? It should be good. I mean, I fixed the B-hop too, so that's cool. Any, like, audio issues? I think the only issues now is a few audios and animation. So let's do that. Two, three, four. Wait. Seven, 8, 9, and 10. 5, 6, 7, 8. That should work. I want to make a shorter flip. I wonder if that's possible. On your body, let's see. Cut it in half. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, running, gotta do... Okay, hold on. Run gotta go to up and down too. Or run gotta go to up, so... something's wrong with the... Why is that the case? Why is that the case? The fucking issue with the... Okay, at least... You know what? At least the... Whatchamacallit? At least the weapon animation flipped properly. So we just gotta fix this, right? What's next? Why is it flipping? Why is it flipping? Why is it flipping? Why is it flipping? Shouldn't it be possible that it flips like that? Why? Why does it flip like that? Is it this one? It probably is. Actually, no. Let me... Literally, this thing is never used. What the fuck? Why is it... Then why is it like that? Is it because of the play body or something? What if I do this? No, so it's not. Okay, so it's not because of this. That's good. Then it's probably because of this. Correct? No. Okay, so I can just save myself a few line and just move this down here. and remove this. Why is it flipping like that? Huh. Oh my god. Why? Why? Why is it like this? So it's not B-hop, it's not any of these, I think. Flip. Flip is not even used in here. What if I just comment this out and play? It shouldn't affect. Yeah, it's not affecting it, so flip is fine. It's not change collision, is it? Let me drink water. Why? Body flipped, I'm guessing? Maybe this one? Huh. Okay, so it's not these. Then what's going on here? What's going on here? What the hell? Huh. If I change this to fauna, it should just... Yeah, it's fine. This one's fine. What? Okay, what the fuck is going on with that? What? Anyway, so it's not really an issue with the player body, but more of either this script or it's either the Sana script or one of these two. I think it's this one, maybe? Maybe. No, it's not. There's nothing in here. So it's probably weapon animation, right? can't be it. Like, it literally can't, because this is not how it works. I am dead ass confused. Why does Sana has that problem with the flipping script? Maybe it's an animation track? Maybe? I think it's probably... No, that can't be it, because I see the... Or maybe it is. We'll see. We'll see, actually. Let me see this. It's probably in the animation. Wall slide, let's see. If down. Okay, it's probably this. Yeah. Okay, so what's the down condition? And not player body dot is on wall. There we go. Okay. Now as for the up animation, let's see. Up animation can go to raw slide. Now it should work. Yes! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Ho 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 ho. Okay, wait a minute. Why is that? Wait, what? That B hop is something's wrong with the B hop. Hold on. I thought it worked. What the fuck? It literally worked earlier. What the hell happened now? Oh, I fucked this shit up. Okay, that makes sense. Much better. What if instead of like equals 1.8, I do plus 0.8? Oh yeah, baby, it's better. It's better. You know what? Okay, you know what? I'll keep it like that for now. I'm gonna update the script later to give it some time before it resets. Yeah, I'll keep it some time. Let me see. Music. Why isn't it working?
Why isn't this working? Is there something missing? Must more blood be shed?
Must more blood be shed? Ah, I'm so bad at this. Hmm. You know what? Hold on. Attack area. No, that can't be it. Is it a melee attack? Let me check fauna as an example. Oh, fuck, I died. That's quick. Anyway, okay, so clearly the terrain needs... Okay. What about this one? Wait. It's clearly working. Why is it? That's weird. What if I tried to play as Sana here? Music's a little loud. Why is that so short? Sure, give a little bit of leeway. As for the recast, let's see. $144, okay. That should work. Honestly, that feels pretty good. I just need a bit of like smear frames. You can feel the impact. I just need a bit of a smear frame. Which I can do. I think. Let me try. GPU particle. Amount, texture, white, square. Let me see. Don't do one shot. On. Material? Wait, what? Okay, this one. Okay. It's not drawing, it's trails anymore on. Huh. Hold on, let me think about this. Let's try gravity. Where's the gravity? It's not velocity, is it? Yeah. Okay, that works. Scaling. Let's see. Also, emission should be faster. So, like, what if I double it? Hmm. 0.5. What's interp to end? Left-hand section. Let's see. velocity. Hold on. What's velocity again? Directional velocity. Where's the X and Y of this? What? Acceleration, linear cell. What even is a sublimiter? I don't even know. I think it can increase the lifetime. Lifetime here is useless. I need no explosiveness, no collision, drawing. It's fine, don't need that. Trails enabled, yep. Process material, display, okay, display. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, radio overload, probably not. Oh boy. How to do this? I'm thinking about it, it's so... Oh my god. Oh god. It hurts so bad. What if I don't do trials for now? As for gravity... Scale curve. Let's see. Okay. What if I do this? Okay. I'm thinking. It's happening. Now I just gotta make it faster somehow. How do I make this faster? How do I make this faster? How? How? What if I set this to like 10 million? Okay, I'm thinking. I am thinking. Oh my god. It's probably oh my god, I think it's working. It's working. Okay, scale curve. Where's the scale curve? Set this 2.5. I think it's working. Maybe. I don't fucking know. Smear. Frame. FX. Let's see. Actually, I shouldn't do gravity. So it's 0. What the hell is velocity going on? Okay, there we go. Now if I go to the animation, attack, let's see. Getting to true. Tap down. Waiting to true. Up. Or slide. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Wait, wrong character, fuck me. I think I'm doing it wrong. Where's the... Right here. Ordering out for about the ordering later. I just need to get this to work. I'm not too sure. And you know what? I'll be right back. I'll take a piss. I'm back. Alright. Okay, let's do it. Problem is, it's not continuous. Why is that? Oh wow, about time. That's crazy. Yo, hello. Okay, so this clearly doesn't work. I really don't want to draw another type of smear frame, I'm gonna try to make it like look dynamic, so I'm trying to make it work by effects instead of like manually drawing this smear frame, but like at the same time I don't fucking know anymore. Sorry, hold on. What if we do color curves real quick? Okay. Also need random scaling, I think. No, I don't need random scaling, but I do need... Oh my god. What if I turn on trail again? If I turned on trail... then it literally just doesn't work. Fuck. What if instead of one shot, do it like that? I'm distracting myself, but like, I'm still thinking. What if I make it spawn in a line? Spawn, position. Points? Are you trying to make like after image or something? I'm trying to make smear frame. So like, okay, let me see. If I play fauna, you can see the smear frame every time it attacks, right? The white stuff. I'm trying to recreate that, but as an effect instead of as like a sprite, because as a smear frame, it looks very static. And I don't like that. So I'm trying to make it as a... I'm trying to make it as an effect. And I'm making it from scratch using a GPU particle. So like, it feels weird to do it. But I'm on the right path, it's just not... What's directed point? Whoa, that's trippy. So it's clearly not this. Velocity ratio? No, that can't be it. You know what? What if I make it shoots instead of like spawning? Yeah. What if I make it shoots? Position point right here. Velocity. It's not this. Spread? No. Set the gravity to like 10,000. Make it trail. One shot. Also, I want to make the lifetime. Wait. How about the lifetime? Okay. Let's try that. But this only works for side attacks. Wrong. That means I would have to make how do I do this? Can I do a 3 curve? What does this even do? I don't even know. What if I do a gravity curve? I wonder if that's possible. I know your funny words, Magic Man. So you're the same as Snacken. Okay, I got it. Y'all simpletons. If only I could do this as a line, but like it doesn't spawn in lines, it spawns in points. Or you know what? Line's not available, but I can do it in like a really thin rectangle, huh? here. Let's see. Okay. How do I do it? Position a box. Kayoko, she's so golden. She's so cute. And funny. Okay. How do I do this? Okay, I got it. Don't make it travel far, I think. So like 45? Or I can set this to 98, but linear Excel. Zero. Whoa, what the fuck? How do I... Hello, Abel. Never mind his spots. I'm a legit fan. That's what a fake fan would say. I'm gonna delete that shit. Yeah, now I think about it, who would name himself Abel? Abel Mike? Abel Mike. Who the hell would say that? Where's Kane? What Kane? Raisin Canes? think... You know what? I think I can just make... Yeah, you know what? I'll just make a smear frame. This is just too much. I'm gonna have to do this on my own time. Yeah, I'll have to make another smear frame. It is what it is. What I don't get is why... the hit doesn't like affect or doesn't like detect the ground for level tutorial. That's weird. It's weird. Don't know why it's like that. It's probably because I'm using this one instead of no, but I'm also... This level also uses the same sheet, so that's not the problem here. Is it because it's not in the same group? That's probably why. Solid ground tile map. That's probably why. Let's check. Ah, found a problem. Okay, so in other words, I need to go to boss room 5 and check off this thing. There you go. That should work. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? I remember I need to do something for Sana, but I forgot what. I actually want to play Nekopara now because Nekopara After is just out on Steam. The skill maybe? Oh yeah, skill. Ooh. Yeah, hers. I forgot about Sana's skill. Okay, let's copy the script real quick. Using special attack, shoot projectile. Now we do by special attacking equals false. Oh, it's literally right there. Roar is a stamina. What's her skill, by the way? So I'm thinking to have Yadagarasi, which is the snake. I'm just calling her the snake. I'm gonna have the snake shoots out of the ring, and then the initial skill is gonna be to shoot in a straight line, and it's gonna pierce. And as for the upgrades, I'm gonna have it homing in. So yeah, but I won't have that skill upgraded yet because I haven't made a skill upgrade for Fauna or Crony or Mume, so yeah. Bueno, special attack particle. What's one-time particle? Actually, I won't do that. It's 80k, not whatever that thing is. SFX. Sick, we're getting new upgrades. Not yet. I'm literally crunching. Not crunching. Oh yeah, yeah, no one was here when I said that I fucking did a I did a fucking what? All-nighter. I pulled an all-nighter last night. And I barely made progress, made any progress on like the bug fixing, but I just finished with the bug fixing. So now we're getting back onto like the designing stuff. Anyway. What the hell, yeah. Yeah. If I have leftover time, I might do upgrades, but I highly doubt that would happen because I have a lot of stuff to do. I need to like polish some of the old stuff too. Yeah, I highly doubt I can do the upgrades for this cycle. Also, you're gonna have the longest sleep tonight. Yeah, no, I will not have a long sleep tonight. Actually, I woke up at 2 today, so I have a good 8 hours. No, less than 8 hours. I slept at like damn near 7. And I woke up at 2, so like just a little over 5 hours. No, that's wrong. Just under 8 hours. 7, yeah, around 7. I never have enough sleep. It's funny that I can just do this shit without any caffeine. I don't just... Okay, I do feel sleepy sometimes, but like... Not at night. Definitely not at night. I swear to God, man, when it's nighttime, my energy just becomes limitless. Caffeine lacks effect on me. I just don't like coffee. Okay. Using special attack. Parentbody.connect. Using special attack. Using special attack. That should be it. If I go back to the player body, that should be the same signal. Using, yeah, okay. Connect that so when the player body emits signal, Sound script should be able to call the using special attack, which will call a shoot projectile, which will play this whole thing. Now, I need to make a projectile for her. Fuck me. Oh no. Enemy body. Can flip, friendly, can knock back, track player, no, stationary, no, projectile, no. Projectile, yes. Can be parried, yes. Don't rotate on velocity. Damage or max health should be 1. Damage val is 20. 10 actually, 10. Because it's gonna pierce. And yeah. Projectile. There we go. Yadagarasu. Let me double check the name just in case. Okay, no caps. No cap. Now the problem is Yadagarasu is a fucking snake and yeah. It's a snake. Save, I should save. How do I do this? Oh boy. White circle. Yeah, I'll do a white circle. Why not? GPU particle maybe. Huh. How do I make it so that I don't know. Let me think about this. Hmm. Hmm. I want to make it by GPU particle, but like I feel like that's not possible, is it? How to make particles follow the center in GPU particles. Go dot 4. Surprised Snacken is not here. I wonder what he's doing. Now that I think about it. I just realized you're here, which is unusual. Unusual, I guess. I'm guessing he's in either Sky or Zanbai. I'm guessing he's in neither. Because he would go for me first. Yeah. Yeah, because he's not here. Guess he died. It is what it is. He's got taken by the CCP. Radio acceleration probably wouldn't. Radio acceleration. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Acceleration, radio. I'm noticing a pattern. Maybe I do negative. Ah, okay. I got it. I got it. Oh, that makes so much more sense. Holy shit, hydrate. Thanks. Oh my god, that makes so much more sense. That's a game changer. What's the mount ratio again? Oh, that makes so much more sense. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, that's cool. That looks cool. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. What about Tangio? What's Tangio? I see. I'm not gonna do that though. What about damping? I like how chase a cursor like a swarm of bees. Yeah. That's what I was trying to do, and I didn't know what radio SL is, and now I know what radio SL is. So, yeah. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. That's way too much. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh no. Holy shit. What do you mean, bonk? Also, I activated the trail, right? Did I? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yo, this shit's sick. I'm discovering stuff. Oh my god. Okay. Why don't we just do one? Like one. But it's a trail. With a lifetime of 10 seconds. You have alerted the horde. Trail looks so much better with wide tangent moving, and the one earlier was so jittery. That's true. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Wait, this is what I'm looking for. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Ooh. I think the problem is that it doesn't last long. Yeah, trail... Actually, that's the trail. That's not lifetime of like 100 seconds. There we go. Dude, this is exactly what I'm looking for. What? Yo! Okay, hold on. I think the problem is that the only problem that I have is that it's not pixelated. But I think that's fine, right? Should be fine. I want the head of this to like be stuck in the center. Because this shit is gonna follow a yeah, the next problem is that it's supposed to follow a center. So I want this to like stick to the center. How though? If you just increase the length, it should be fine. Notice center of the orb doesn't go very far. Not as much as your cursor, at least. I don't know about you, but this is pretty far. This is pretty far from the center. Okay, it's a little more pixelated. There is a few problems, so maybe I'll do 6 and 3. Maybe 6 and 6. Let's try this. Why does that last so long? There we go. Yeah, that's a problem there. Radio cell, layer cell, gravity. What if I do gravity? Inertia fucking it up, yeah. Yeah, no, gravity is not the way to go. It's not tangious out there. Whoa! So it's not okay, what about damping? I remember damping. Just gotta wait for it to die out real quick. Yeah, at some point damping becomes too much. It's not turbulence. Submeter? No. What if I moved the physics like that? No, that's not it either. Shit. It's not scale velocity. Oh. Oh, speed scale. Oh, maybe speed scale. That might work. Okay, that's I'm on the right track. Okay, I'm on the right track. I kind of figured it out. Let me see. Okay. It's speed scale. The trick is speed scale. Kind of. You know what? I'm changing the plans just a tiny bit. Okay, hold on. Acceleration. I want it so that it changes acceleration quickly, but what if I don't do trail? Oh boy. Okay, what the hell do I do? Or I can just do it the hard way, but the easiest way, but also the hard way is just to code it. But I don't see how. I'm gonna make it stop touching upon, stop upon touching the center. I mean, I just did that, but like, I don't see how this would work. What is even the point of the sub emitter? I need to figure that shit out. Sub emitter. Ah, okay. Basically, like when a particle's like stop, it will spawn another particle. That's how you do it. Okay, that makes sense. So basically, it's like a firework, I guess. But that's not what I'm looking for. Still thinking. What if I don't do the cell at all? But radio of cell. What about radio of velocity? Radio velocity. Okay. Trails. Okay, I'm getting better at this. It's not smooth. But I'm on the right track. Just gotta work on the scaling, I guess. Whoa. Isn't the orb moving in a line anyway? Yes, but I want to plan for the future to make it homing, so yeah. What if I do a white square instead of a white circle? That's weird. Why is it like that? Could decrease the trail length, increase amount of segments? Yeah, that's probably it. I think the problem is that like moving sideways is thin. I don't know why that is the case. That shouldn't be the case. Actually, it's because of the trail. What if I rotate? Yeah, what if I rotate the trail? Or rotate the whole particle? Pretty sure it would still be the same, right? Yeah, same shit. Okay, so this doesn't work. So clearly over velocity is not it. Oh. Maybe the white circle. And make it spin really quickly. Here we go. And then make the speed scale like 10, I guess. No. Set it to 5. Make the trail longer, so like, I don't fucking know, 16. Wait a minute. I can literally just use this for the damn attacks mirror. Wait a fucking minute. Yeah, I can literally just use this for the attacks mirror. You know what? Let's try that. I thought that was the goal. I was... Okay. Yeah, well, I mean... That was the goal, but then I kind of gave up. I'm guessing you weren't there when I say that. But I was thinking of making the Yatagarasu as the projectile, or as the particle, I guess. Anyway, it is what it is. Now I can just paste this in here. Where the fuck did that go? Lifetime set to like 1. No, there you thought you went back to it after getting an effect like that attacks me you wanted. Oh, I mean, yeah. Wow. I don't know. Feels a little weird, but I think I can make this smaller. I mean, it works. Okay, as for the scaling, oh my god, the scaling. Display scale 0.5, 0.75. Ew. Actually, color curves. Set to 125, I'm guessing. Wait. Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? Is there something missing? Alpha. It's alpha. Point 5. Oh my god. What? Wait, that's kinda good. Oh, that's kinda good. Oh, that's kinda good. What the fuck? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Wait a minute. Oh, right. Using special attack. Fucking typo. Alright, enemy body. Let me just... I don't fucking know. Hold on, hold on. Ah! That's sick, yeah. With a GPU particle, maybe. No instance. Child is no. Why? Why is child no? Sprite 2D. I see. Does it work in our direction though for homing? Yeah, it should work. Okay, that's delayed, which I don't like. But let me put on some other music. Which music should I do? It's been a while since I do Ocean Kill. Let's do that. Weapon animation, attack. Wait, this is disabled. No, visible. Like this? Yeah. on. Hold on. In an attack up, in an attack was not. It should work. Wait a minute. Reset. Shouldn't be visible. Okay, bug. Okay, that's a fucking problem. Okay, that's fine. You know what? That's fine. What I can do is make this a one-time particle so that when it spawned in, it basically, yeah. Let me think about this. Scene. Enemy environment level prop UI character, I guess. Fauna crony sana. I can import this as a text with FX. Maybe you spawn an invisible center that doesn't follow the player. That's true. Or wait, now think about it. I shouldn't make this a how do I de-scene this? I don't even know. Make local. Oh, that's okay. Make local. That was the thing. Make local. I was looking through the whole list of things that you didn't see. Yeah, make local. That was that's the thing. Anyway, what am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna make this as a one-time particle. So let's see. You know what? Text mirror effects. I can just attach the one-time particle as, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see. One time particle. Oh, 0 point. Now. Okay. The spawning of the one-time particle should be done in Sana script because weapon animation is a general. Yeah, it's like a general attack script, so I cannot do this because this is specifically for Sana. So I'm gonna do it in here. Let's see. How would I spawn effects? Change collision? No. What about B-hop? B-hop, you just put it. Okay, I'm making some good progress. Could be a little faster, but it's fine. Spawn, attacks, here. Var ATK smear equals TPU particles 2D equals load dot instantiate. And then attack smear or ATK smear dot position equals. Actually, I should make it 0, right? No. Actually, no. I need to put it in the melee attack sprites. What's the position of this? Negative 24 by 7. Negative 24, negative 7. Okay. Ultra kill. Ultra. Oh yeah. It's the fate. Ultra kill. Okay. Position equals negative vector 2, negative 24, negative 7. It feels like V1 is running at me from a distance. Okay. Get node attack area. Melee attack sprites. That should be it. And melee attack sprites dot add child attack smear. Just a tiny dot of blue sliding downhill. Reminds me of the Hatsune Miku animation. Spawn attack smear. Okay. Now we go back to here, we go attack A, we do... We delete this, we can do... Call method on Sana. Spawn attack spear. Please, for the love of God, work this time. I actually didn't even test the short ass lifetime, so I just fucking pray that it works. Let me go up here actually. Whatever, it's fine. Oh my god, it works! It fucking works! First try! Oh my god! Okay, I got it. Holy shit, it fucking works! That's insane! Oh my god. Holy shit, that's crazy. That actually, it's not bad, but it's not good, but like, it works. It just works. That's all I wanted to see. It fucking works! Oh my god, I am so happy. The only thing left is the sound effects, which I think I can get from Attack Audio, right? Yeah. Get this. Sana. Attack Audio. Oh wait, I can just do it here. Whoa, that's not... Why is it playing on every frame? That's crazy. Huh. Okay, fine. I'll just... I thought I could make a shortcut, but fine. I'll just do it myself. Play ATK audio. Okay, just this and then I can leave. Okay. Now I do a weapon animation It's not property, it's method. Gotta save first. Play attack audio. Okay, one more time. It should work. Oh my god, it feels so good. Okay, the only problem I see is that like fucking what you call it? That stone particle not working right, which I can fix easily, I think, if I just go into the it should be in this area, right? Or is it in this one? It's not this. Or is it in weapon animation? It's probably in weapon animation, yeah. Create particle effects, create audio. Okay, create particle effects one time. Return. Create effects. Detect ground type. Find custom data. Find custom data. Create particle effects, which goes here. We just find the effects, return this. Hold on. Position. Where you cast color hit affects global position. Pose. Okay, pose. Pose. Add sibling. Okay. One-time particle position pause. Ooh, okay. For card get parent is player body, one-time particle, post F. Wait. Okay, so create particle effects returns an array, okay, of one-time body and one-time particle. So add okay, so add sibling particle 1. This is okay, yeah. 1 is particle, one time particle equals 1. Wait, what? It added position before it. It edited the position before it adds a sibling. That's weird. But like, what if I change to fauna? Same shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait a fucking minute. Wait a fucking minute. Feels really nice, actually. Oh my god. I need to edit fauna to be as satisfying to play as... It's actually pretty nice. It feels nice to play. Okay, so it more or less the problem with the tutorial level rather than the character. So that's weird. Hmm. Why is the grid off? That's weird. Hmm. Why? Why does it do that? Skip! Okay, something is wrong. Why is it off by 2? Hmm. Why is it off by 2? this is okay. So since Sana and Fauna has two different type of attack scripts, so it's probably in, or the weapon animation script, so it's probably in the attack script somewhere. It's probably in here, right? Or rather, it's probably like the positioning, or like probably the code. No, it can't be the code because level 1-1 was correct. It can't be the code. It has to be the placement. Pose, find custom data. Suppose the tech ground type should be global position. Why though? Hit effects is within Sana. Hit affects global position should be global position. Huh. It literally is. At what? I'm almost there. I just need to fix this fucking bug. What the hell, man? Huh. Maybe something is wrong with the tile map, I guess? I don't fucking know. Still the same problem. Let's try. Hold on. Print debug hit fx dot global position, and then at the end we do print hold on, debug one time particle dot global position. Why is it over by 1? It's over by 1 block. Why? Why? Why oh why? Why is that? Maybe. What the hell happened here? Maybe I do a print here. '92, 191. Oh wait a minute. Why is it? What? Why is the pose fucked up? Maybe it's just vector 2? Okay. I get it. Don't do vector 2i. Because that's I stands for integer. No wonder why. Oh my god. I fucked that shit up so hard. There is still a problem though. Why? Why? I don't get it. So all three positions should be good. What's the problem then? What's the fucking problem now? What's the problem? Wait, what? Global position should be the same. Whoa, buddy. Ah. If my theory is correct. Yeah, it is the same. Then why is the level tutorial fucked? Like, it's literally the same position. Why is it fucked? I don't get it. Why is the coordinate fucked here? What's the offset? Is there any offset? No. We're gonna do 0 for that. Same problem. So it's not this. The head effects is in the spot. Why is the one-time particle different? What if instead of adding to the parent, what if I add to the hit effects? Instead. That should work. Yes. I think. Okay. Why don't we just do that instead? And if I go here, it's a workaround a bug, but it works. Hey, it works. All right, that's, you know what, whatever. That's fine. That's fine. You know what? Let's test one more time with Fauna to end it, because Fauna is best. Fauna is literally the best. So and then we can go raid. Next time I'm gonna need to work on. Okay, yeah, it works. As figured. Alright, next time I am going to work on. Oh, fuck. Next I'm gonna work on the projectile, because I need still need to work on that. Alright. Made some very good progress today. Since I don't want to, I can just end it. So yeah. Alright. Actually, let me check if anyone's streaming. It's just Zanvi and Sky. But yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna go buy Elden Ring and Nekopara tonight. I will see you hopefully tomorrow with the continuation of this. I hope I can just create all the character, or not all the character. I hope I can finish the character within like a couple days, and then I can like go to like. Oh yeah, I got a lot to do. Alright, I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Actually, no, let me check. Okay, no one is asking me to cover, so I will see you tomorrow. Good night.